Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and click that bell button, so you can get notification when my new, easy way tutorial is out. Hi. In today's video I will show you how to change scale of your display on your Windows 10 PC. Changing the scale won't change the resolution of your display. It will just make things like text, apps, icons and so on, bigger or smaller, depending on your need. Before we start, just to remind you, don't forget to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe if this video helped you, because in that way, you support my channel. And now we are moving to our video. First go with your mouse on Start. Left click on it, and select Settings. Now click on the System option. And here, under the Display tab, you will see Scale and Layout option. Click on this box, and drop-down menu will open. Here you can choose in which percentage you want to scale your display. Choose bigger percentage to more zoom in, and opposite. When you select desired option, display will scale automatically, and if none of the offered percentages works for you, you can try to enter custom percentage. To do that, click here where it says, Advanced Scaling Settings. New window will open, and here under Custom Scaling, you can enter number between 100 and 500 to set your custom scaling. After you enter desired percentage of scaling, press Apply, and you will get message that you need to sign out to apply this effect. Try different scale until you find one that is best for you. So, this was guide how to change scale of your display on Windows 10 PC. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button if this video helped you in any way, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next, easy way tutorial. Bye.